What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get these beautiful looking eyes using this palette right here. Bang! The Static Palette by Motives Cosmetics. Do you like? Take a look. Done right here for you. So if you want to find out how to get this beautiful eye tutorial, then baby, stick around. Mwah. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to do our eyes. So of course I'm using Cosmetics eye palette in Static. So this is what it looks like, and da-da-da! Oh honey, we're gonna have some fun today. I love these colors. All right, so we're going to be starting off with this color right here called Drenched. Drenched, baby. We're going to be going right up under here and just popping it under our brow bone, just like so. Now, the next color we're going to be going in with is this one here, and it's called, of course, Attitude. We're going to be putting it right underneath the brow bone and just above the crease, just like so. Next step, we're going to be going in with these two colors here. So this is Fever and Wrecked, 1 and 2. So let's just mix these two colors on the brush, and what we're going to be doing is carving out our eye like this one. Okay, so we're going to go into our crease and just start working that like so. Now using those same two colors, this one here and this one, we're going to bring it down underneath the waterline and just work it just like so, gently, almost like a smoky look. Okay, now for the lid, we're going to go in with this pretty pink color here called Pandora. We're going to put it all over the lid. Okay, next we're going to go in with this beautiful color right here called Spell, and we're going to just put it right in the tear duct, just like this. Oh yeah, look at that color just pop. And last but not least, we're going to finish off with a little bit of black matte on the bottom. So let's go in with this final color here called Void. And all we're going to do is just touch up down here and deepen the color under our waterline, okay? Just like that, like the other side. Next, we're actually going to add black eyeliner to the top here and inside the waterline. So I'm using Motives Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Black Eye Pencil, and we're just going to line the inside waterline. Top and bottom. Now we are on to mascara. So just grab your mascara. I want you to coat the top lashes and the bottom lashes. All right, so once you've done with that, if you like your lashes like this, then you can go ahead to the next step, or you can add false lashes like I'm going to do because I actually don't have any lashes. So let's do it. Ta-da! Yes, how you going? Yeah, good, thanks. Wow, I hope you like it. Did you add your false lashes? If not, then honey, you have the time. You can do it right now. I shall wait. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. I'll see if I can help you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Bye-bye.